Milwaukee M12 FUEL Installation Drill/Driver. This 4-in-1 compact drill was designed by the U.S. company Milwaukee. This drill can provide outstanding efficiency and versatility with its multifunction abilities. For dedicated heads give a lot of power. Included are 3 6-inch chuck offset driver, 1/4 hex, and right angle that can be attached in 16 different positions. These 4 bits allow a wide range of functions and applications. The M12 drill is part of the M12 FUEL series of tools and uses universal batteries. Therefore, it is completely cordless. It allows work to be completed without restrictions. The Powerstate brushless motor can deliver 1600 RPMs and 300 pounds of torque. With its small size, the drill is beneficial for usage in confined spaces, and other advantages include unique elements to allow the length to be shortened if necessary. A detachable bit holder and a magnetic holder make working convenient and straightforward. Finally, Redlink Plus is an intelligent system that aids in extending tool life by preventing overloading to ensure you get enough usage for years. The price is $180. Greenworks Garden Cart. Landscapers and gardeners would revel in the fantastic advantage of this tool. Greenworks Garden Cart is the world's first cordless, self-propelled garden cart. The cart was developed to make a bold statement and provide efficiency. This cart makes all aspects of yard work much more manageable. This wheelbarrow features a payload capacity of 100 kilograms, and the 10-inch pneumatic tires ensure impeccable traction. Simple pushing, a steering system, and a 60-volt battery provide 40 minutes of usage while assisting the user when transporting heavy loads. A special hydraulic assistant dumping mechanism conveniently aids in the unloading process. The rust-resistant cargo bed and sturdy steel frame supply a 220-pound maximum load capacity. The cart can give up to 2.6 miles per hour maneuverability for the heaviest jobs when using the self-propelled drive system. The Greenworks Garden Cart weighs 102 pounds, 29 inches wide, and 25 inches tall. The total price for this cart is $700. Gaff gun. The gaff gun is a tape applicator to deal with cables that accumulate and need to be secured in place. Although the primary purpose is to tape the cables, it can tackle floor joints and even lay caution tape in restricted areas. Gaff gun is equipped with a funnel-shaped guiding system that collects the cables as it tapes them down, regardless of how scattered the cables could be in an area. This system saves over 90% of the time it would typically take for a worker to gather all the cables by hand and lay floor tape, ultimately leaving a polished and professional look. First, the cables are stretched evenly, then covered with adhesive tape and fixed in tape. 10 types of tape can be used with the tool, including cloth and PVC tape. An additional adapter allows adjustment to the width of the tape being used, making no job too difficult. Trip and fall incidents in any work environment are common and costly to the company and the injured worker. By using the gaff gun less, accidents may occur. The price for this applicator is $250. Little Giant Ladder Safety Rails. Each day on construction and home renovation sites, workers risk their safety when they need to climb up on high ladders. The Little Giant Ladder Safety Rails provide the required safety by adding an extra layer of protection to reduce accidents on a worksite significantly. There are 2 positions for the rails, with the first vertical position taking the role of handrails for situations like an unstable roof. Having extended handrails at the top of the ladder will be helpful to workers orient themselves, especially when climbing up because there will be a stable surface to move from the ladder. The second horizontal position increases the ladder's stability as a whole, reducing the risk of tipping over to almost zero. In this position, the ladder will be held in place using the same handrails but against the structure's wall, increasing stability. Compatible with nearly all ladders, this system costs $72. Quick Draw Pro Tape. With so much technology available on the market today, there's a wonder those who still value traditional methods of getting work done. When it comes to building and construction, there is no difference. Measuring devices exist, but if you are a person who instead uses an old-fashioned tape measure, you know the difficulty of measuring and marking simultaneously. QuickDraw Pro Tape is a tape measure with a built-in pencil. This system makes the entire measuring process easier as everything can be completed with a single tool, no need for a pen or pencil on hand. The tape measure has removable lead for easy replacement in under 10 seconds and provides over 2,000 marks per load. By having an all-in-one tool, measurements and marking will be more precise, fewer mistakes will be made, and fewer moves will be needed. Measurements such as making circles or a radius are completed by locking the blade in place and holding the corner of the hook on the center point. Then, within one movement, it is complete. The contractor-grade steel tape provides extra durability when in use. The price is $30. Einhell GECC 18 Li. The German company Einhell has invented a tool to help clean up the edges of walkways and driveways. The GECC 18 Li is designed to clear grass, weeds, and moss and tidy up paths on pavement and bricks. This special cordless cleaner has two 4-inch brushes made of steel and nylon. The steel brush is for deep-down cleaning, while the nylon brush is for everyday touch-ups. The tops of the brushes are covered to prevent the debris from scattering around. Removing debris and vegetation can be completed in seconds. The power button on the unit protects against accidental startup for added safety. With the telescopic arm, the device is also height adjustable to reduce back strain and the ability to work in a standing position. Although the 18-volt battery and charger are sold separately, there are multiple amps to choose from 1.5 Ah and a 30-minute runtime to 5.2 Ah and 120 minutes of runtime. Lightweight at 4.4 pounds and highly portable, the GECC 18 Li can be beneficial and costs $70. Ryobi Bypass Lopper. Using pruning shears or a manual lopper can be difficult and time-consuming when pruning tree branches, but the Ryobi Bypass Lopper makes it much more manageable. This amazingly convenient tool is the perfect substitute for shears. At 76 centimeters long, this lopper was explicitly designed to allow a user to reach the highest branches. The start button is placed underneath to prevent mishaps and ensure safety. This lopper can work with branches up to 3 centimeters in diameter. The bypass cutting will yield clean and precise cuts, while the branch hook supplies easy branch removal. With the 18-volt battery, you can expect about 100 work cycles of power, more than enough to get through each day. A great feature of the lopper is it is completely compatible with all Ryobi 18-volt tools, therefore, it will fit in perfectly if you are already ingrained within the lineup. The price for the Ryobi Bypass Lopper is $120. Knipex Precise Strip 16. When installing special equipment, a lot of prep work is generally necessary, and this includes stripping cables from insulation in certain areas. With the Knipex Precise Strip 16 from the German company Knipex, this work can be done in the shortest amount of time. The tool has a wide working range of 0.08 to 16 square mm, making it suitable for fine wires and solid round conductors. A notable feature is the semicircular metal clamps and grooves that ensure you have a tight grip when stripping the cable. The parabolic blade leaves a finished, precise cut each time. Patented automatism gives the advantage of regulating the cutting depth based on the material that is to be processed. An ergonomically designed handle will provide the user with a comfortable operation when in use, reducing hand fatigue despite its 180 centimeters size. When it's time to replace a worn blade, Knipex made sure the process was simple. The cost of this tool is $100. Caliber X. Getting a start on Kickstarter, the Caliber X was invented to be a true multi-tool by combining an astonishing 18 tools in one. Although it has a very modest size of 5.9 inches and weighs under a pound, the Caliber X will quickly replace several tools and free up a cluttered work area. It's made of stainless steel and features an ergonomic design, specifically for the perfect grip. Some of the tools included are a file, serrated knife with a 3-inch blade, adjustable wrench, saw, rope cutter, fire starter, hammer, screwdriver, bottle and can opener, and even a crowbar. It also has storage to carry up to 3 bits. These are just a few of the tools it provides. There is a tool for nearly everything. It has an easy-to-carry design to take with you anywhere, and you can always be prepared no matter what situation may come up. The price of the Caliber X is $75. Milwaukee Packout. Any handy person has several tools scattered around their work area or stored across several toolboxes. Keeping track of them all can get frustrating. The American company Milwaukee developed the Packout, the most versatile storage system specifically for this purpose. This storage container will keep all tools organized and easily accessible. The entire system was designed specifically for storage and making it easy to transport. Each of the 15 different modules can snap and lock together effortlessly. Inside the modules, you can find trays that will keep everything organized. The 9-inch all-terrain wheels make carrying a 250-pound load capacity simple. Made from an impact-resistant polymer, it's capable of protecting tools from moisture, dirt, and other possible damage. Heavy-duty latches, reinforced hinges, metal-reinforced locking points, and corners keep all contained inside completely secure. Finally, mounting points make transporting other worksite items with ease. The starting price is $140.